Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing LED bulbs to our 2006 Ford Mustang. So far, I've gotten this one in, and I'm going to show you on the other side how to get the other one in. Alright, so basically, I don't know if you can tell, let me focus on, there we go. So this piece right here that I have my finger on is what you're going to want to unscrew. So let me put you on a good spot. I'll put y'all like right kind of right here. Yeah, that'll work. All right, so I'm gonna go under here, grab it. Sometimes it's a little difficult. You gotta twist and just pull it out. All right, so now that we've got it out, next thing you're gonna do, mine, over time, these clips right here get so brittle that they just break. And I'll show you my technique of being able to hold down the new LED bulbs without that clip holding it secure. So, all right, so now that we've gotten it out, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your new plug and play system. I'll leave the link for these lights in the description if y'all are interested. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna plug these in here. Like I said, there's no clip securing it in. So it's literally just kind of held in, just like very, I don't know, like it could come detached while you're driving down the road, and you don't want that. So what I came up with, is what you're gonna do is you're gonna grab some zip ties. All right, so how I do it is I get my zip tie, like I said. What you're gonna do is you're just gonna come over top of it here, and you're gonna wrap it around. You're gonna go ahead, create your little loop. All right, and then from this point right here, get my finger on to this point, you're going to just kind of secure it. Yep. And you're just gonna tighten it as tight as you possibly can, so it'll end up looking something like that. And then grab another one if you want to make it even more secure, and just go from this side to this side, so it'll look something like this by the time you're done with it. Yeah, did it good. There you go, should look something like that. And then if you want to get rid of the mess, clip these guys right off of there. All right, now that looks nice and sturdy. It's definitely not coming off, I mean, as tight as you want it. And then what you're gonna do is you're just gonna feed it all this wiring kind of back down in here. And then right where you took it out of the hole, I'm gonna find that hole here. There we go.
Back in the hole now. Almost. Sometimes it's tricky. I'll keep popping out, but now I got it in. I'm gonna lock it back. I'm gonna go to the left with it, the bulb. Make sure it's screwed down all the way. Alright.
So now I just kind of have my harness down here and my new light plugged in and screwed in. So now let me show you all the finished result. Okay, so this is the right side, driver's side, and this is gonna be my passenger side. So I don't know if y'all can tell the difference or not. I'm about to get some new headlights here soon, but my old bulbs were so hot that they made the film on my headlight like deteriorate. So I read online, if you go to LEDs, it'll help with your new headlights to not have this issue. So this is a newer one. I'm probably gonna go ahead and just replace both, but this will definitely help your headlights from deteriorating like mine did on the passenger side. So alrighty y'all, that's all for the video today. Please like and subscribe if this helped you. We'll see you on the next one.